Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can post photos and videos on your Thread application. So without any delay, let's start the video. First, go to your Thread application, click here, and you can see on your bottom of your screen there are so many options, and to post any photo or video, just click this option on the middle. Just click here, and here you can type anything, and just if you want to post a photo, just click this clip icon on here. Just click here and you can select any photo from your gallery. I'm just going to select this one and just done, and select post here, and your photo has been posted on, you can see my photo is posted on my profile. And in this similar way, by clicking this clip icon, you can also select any videos like this one and continue on the same process and just post. And as you can see, my video is posting on the threads. So in this way you can post any videos and photos on your thread pretty easily. And that is it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. See you on next one.